Would you like to know how to consistently produce, record, and release your own music from scratch? I'm Sam Morgan, and I'm a professional... Hi, I'm Sam Morgan, and I'm a professional music production coach. Perhaps you are a complete beginner who's feeling overwhelmed by YouTube tutorials and needs a hand cutting through the noise and really making some progress. Or maybe you're already an established artist and you're looking to refine your workflow and improve your production techniques. Whatever your experience, I work with each of my students in a customized one-on-one format. Lessons are tailored specifically to your needs and ability level. Lessons take place either in your own home or in my professionally equipped studio. Consistently writing good music is more about understanding your genre and having a repeatable method to bring your ideas to life. This is way more important than understanding some niche technical concepts. The point is the music, not the tools. I teach everything from the basic first steps after you've opened your digital audio workstation through to more advanced production techniques such as mixing, mastering, and sound design. So no matter what type of music you want to make, I'm here to show you that it's a lot simpler than you might think. All you need is your own laptop and a desire to learn. If this resonates with you, you've already taken the first steps you need to becoming the artist you know you can be. Looking forward to hearing from you.